Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning and organizing my extremely dirty car. So first I wanted to just get started with showing you all the mess that we are going to be dealing with. My car is so gross right now. Normally my husband will have it cleaned or detailed for me, but it just got so out of control that I was too embarrassed to actually have someone else clean it. So I decided I needed to clean it myself. The back seat is like full of snacks and garbage from the boys eating snacks in the back, but I have to take the blame. For the passenger seat, there's so many times I get in the car, especially going to and from school or running errands, well, I will just throw stuff over on my passenger side and I'll say, oh, I'll bring it in the house when I go in the house, and then I'll forget to bring it in the house, and the pile has just gotten extremely out of control. And because I've been so embarrassed to let someone else clean it, like the outside of it is really dirty too. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this myself before I put this work on anybody else. And I'm starting off cleaning in my garage because I have Lincoln with me and I'm not comfortable cleaning the car out in our driveway because we do live close to the street. So I just would like to be able to keep close eyes on him. So he'll be hanging out in the car just while I'm going around and picking up all the trash out of the car. You'll see him hanging out in the car and he'll be walking around the garage. I feel like cleaning your car out, nobody talks enough about the mess that it creates inside your house. For me, there's always like jackets, hats, and just little random toys and things in the car that have to be brought in. And usually when I bring them in, I do my best to go ahead and just put them away right away. I used to just like put them on a table, and then later on I would have to deal with a whole nother mess in the house on the table. So whenever you're cleaning out your car, when you're bringing things in the house, try to just put them in the place that they belong so that you don't have a mess inside of the house also.
Holding back, I got history, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum all of this stuff out of the car. Normally at home, like once or twice every other week or so, I would usually bring my Dyson out and just vacuum myself. But there was so much stuff in here and I didn't wanna vacuum a lot of large items with my Dyson, so I just decided to go to a car wash place and use their vacuum instead. This vacuum I used, it was $2 for 4 minutes. I actually had to use it 4 times. It was just that much mess in my car. And I also wanted to vacuum out the boys' car seats. I like to try to keep those clean and keep the snacks out of them, especially Lincoln's car seats. There's always like hidden snacks in there. Like I don't even understand how it gets in like all the cracks.
Like I'm better off with
Now I'm just installing my seat protectors. I got these on Amazon a while ago and they got taken out when the car was getting cleaned before and didn't get put back in, but I made sure to go ahead and put these back in. I have a lot of protection on the seats just so that whenever we are ready to trade in our car or get another car, this car is in the best condition that it can be in to help save us some money. These seat protectors are really good because not only do they help keep stains off of the seats, but they also help keep those lines from the car seat like indenting into the seats. So I really like these seat protectors. I also have like a little storage container. I'm calling it a container, but it's really like a briefcase that my mom got me for Christmas for me to organize all of my car stuff in. I have a lot of things that I keep in the car that I like to keep handy, like hand sanitizer, a first aid kit. I also have a window glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter that I keep in the car just in case of an emergency if I ever need it. And of course I keep umbrellas, and I do have like a picnic blanket that's a water repelling blanket. Like I like to keep those items in the car. Some of them I keep in the trunk, but the things that I like to have handy in the front seat, I went ahead and I put those in this briefcase organizer that snaps onto the front seat. I can't wait to show you guys how it works. It's super easy and convenient.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me stay there for.
Now the car is all clean. It's so funny. After I went through the car wash, I had to go pick Jackson up from school, and he freaked out when he got in the car. He was like, oh my God, the car is so clean. But then he brought up that he left some snacks in there that he was looking for.